This is Little Bird Tales. Little Bird Tales is a great classroom tool for teachers to implement technology into their classrooms. Little Bird Tales allow students to create their own stories and bring them to life. Students are able to write their own stories as well as illustrate them, and then go back at the end and record themselves reading the story out loud. So the finished product is an authentic children's book read aloud. So when you first are creating your little bird's tale, you click on Create a Tale, but I've already started this one, so I'm going to click on this one right here. What you first do is this will be blank, and you can either draw a picture, pick one from the gallery, or upload your own. I chose to upload a clip art picture. I chose this picture, I uploaded it, and then I clicked the text and chose to write where the title of my story and then the author's name. There's an undo function, forward text. You can add circles, shapes, brushes, any sort of color fill, and then you can clear it if you would like. There's an eraser to erase things. Once you're done, you click Save. And then you exit out of that page, so it has the page right here. And then, if you wanted to record yourself reading this page, you would click on the green record button, record yourself reading, and then you would select stop. And then you can press play to hear yourself. To add the next page, you go ahead and you click on Add Page. No. Yes, you want to click Save before you do anything. So here's our next page. Since it's blank, you're going to go ahead and click on it. It takes you to the art pad where you can design your page. So on this one, I'm choosing to, I'm going to fill the background, let's say with this color. So I selected the color and then I clicked on the background. And then I'm going to draw. You can choose the shape of it. You can have, I want a round brush about this thick. And then I want it to be purple. So I can go ahead. Well, it's not very, I selected gray. And I can draw my person. I make her have yellow hair. So you can draw someone. They can have blue eyes and a smile. And then if you wanted, so I'm doing this one revolves around citizenship. So here's Sally, the star citizen, and I'm going to choose, I'm going to say that she recycles. So I'm going to try to draw a recycling sign. It's probably funner for younger students, so if I'm going to do kindergarten, to have them draw things. That way it's more interactive for them, and they'll be able to be more creative. So once I have my picture, I can select text, and I can pick the font size, probably do like 8, or let's do 14. Your font, let's do Comic Sans, and start writing up here. So, or we can write, let's do it down here. Okay, Sally, oh, we did choose color font. Let's do purple. Oh, let's make it a little bit bigger. You can see it. Sally. Sally is a star citizen because she recycles. So now that we have our beautiful drawing and our page, and once we're done with it, you can click Save. And then you exit out. And then if you wanted to record yourself reading this page, you would click on the green voice button, read the page out loud, and then select stop. So I'm going to click save. And then once you just keep adding pages and repeating these steps until you're finished with your book. And then once you are done, you can select preview and it'll take you to the finished product. And then it'll play it for you. But it'll have your voice if you chose to read it out loud. There you go. And that is how you use Little Bird Tales.